today I'm going to review the newly launched Velvet Matte by Maybelline. This is what it looks like. The packaging is exactly same to the lip polishes that have been launched earlier. The only difference is of the cap. These have like a silver cap and this has like a matte black cap. So yes, that's the packaging difference between these. These retail for 475 rupees and they have 8 shades which have a great variety. They have purples, they have nudes, they have orange, they have reds. So that's a really good thing that they haven't stuck to just like a single color palette. I'm not sure how much quantity you get in here. I generally don't throw away the wrappers before showing the review to you guys, but this particular one is a sad incident. My help at home threw it away before asking me and I was like, I had to review it. But anywho, I'm gonna move on to the review and tell you guys what I think about these newly launched Velvet Mattes. I will first insert the demo of this and then we'll move on. This is what the packaging looks like. It looks like a lipstick in a clear tube, but it's actually like this. And this is what the applicator looks like. So I'm gonna apply it on my lips. As you can see, you get like a really opaque color. So this is what it looks like on my lips right now. I know it looks glossy. It will take about 5 minutes to mattify up. As you saw, the application was really easy, just like a lip gloss. So I'm going to let this mattify up before showing you the next things. So now that you've seen the demo, this is what it looks like on my lips after 10 minutes of application. It doesn't completely mattify. It leaves like a semi-satin sort of a finish rather than a completely glossy or a completely matte finish. I will swatch it on the back of my hand for you guys to show you guys what it looks like once it's swatched on hand. And the texture, as you can see, it's not completely glossy, it's not completely matte. It has like a semi-satin sort of a finish. I will compare the texture of these two to this and I will apply these on the back of my hand as well to show you guys. So as you can see, the lip polish is way more glossier and it doesn't have that sort of an opacity. So the coverage and the pigmentation of the Velvet Matte is way better than the lip polishes. I will apply the lighter shade as well to show you guys. So you see right here, the pigmentation of the lighter one is nearly, you know, nudish. So the pigmentation of the Velvet Matte is way more great. The thing that I like about Velvet Matte the most is its texture. It doesn't dry out on the lips even after being a semi-matte sort of a finish. It's not completely matte, so it doesn't really, you know, dry out your lips and chap them out. It still keeps them pretty nourished, although it stays on your lips only for 4 hours, after which it starts to fade out. It actually can start to fade out even after 3 hours. It's just that I didn't have any food in that amount, which brings me to the transfer test, which I will show you guys right now. So I have my cup right here. Let's see how much this Velvet Matte transfers. So it did transfer that much, but as you can see, there's a lot of color still remaining on my lips. I'm gonna do it once again. So that's the amount of transference that has been going on. So you've seen that's much how the Velvet Matte transfer. Again, the thing that I was saying about the texture, when you rub your lips together like this, it doesn't feel dry, which is like the best thing. Even after this being like a semi-matte thing, you can however just dab on a tissue and this would become completely matte. Wait, let me show that to you as well. If you want to make Velvet Matte completely matte, then you just want to take a tissue like so and then just put this on your lips very lightly. This would instantly make your lips matte, like completely matte, and make it look like you have like a matte lipstick going on. I actually love this finish way better than the earlier finish. So this is one tip that I can give to you guys. If you are going for Velvet Matte and you want like a completely matte lip but still have nourished soft lips, then you can just use a tissue because the texture won't change and your lips won't still feel dry, which is like the best thing ever. Because the biggest problem I have with matte lipsticks is that I feel like my like my lips are so dry. Dry lips is equal to drips. That's my dictionary. So yes, because I feel like my lips are so dry and so chapped, so I do not end up having a lot of matte lipsticks on my lips, but only in my vanity. So yes, this is the best thing that I like about this Velvet Matte. Now let's move on and see how easy it is to remove this Velvet Matte. So I have a wet wipe with me right here. I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to remove these Velvet Matte. So they got removed easily in one swipe and it did not smear all over, neither did it leave a stain, which is really nice. So you saw, it's that easy to remove velvet matte. With that, I finished my review, and overall I would like to say, if you love matte lips and you still want your lips to feel moisturized and nourished, this is a really good buy. It's easy to apply. It can be mattified completely. Although the texture by itself is not completely matte, I'd give out that disclaimer right there, but then again, its name is Velvet Matte rather than, you know, matte, so you have to give it that much. So all in all, I really like this lip polish. I think they've priced it fairly decently as well, because other lip polishes that are being launched in India, like the Calabar one, they're like priced at 900 rupees, while this is 475, and I'm sure you can find some discounts at local stores, or you can even find discounts online. If you are, however, having a problem in finding this, I would suggest that you first go to a local drugstore. If you still can't find it, it's available at Habana.com, I'm sure of that. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and if you did, then please rate, comment and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. And do not forget to follow me on all my social media. All my social media is in the bottom bar as usual. And I will see you guys tomorrow for a special video, so stay tuned. Till then, take care. Bye.